It might sound simple, but walking just 30 minutes a day can have powerful effects on your body and mind. Backed by science, this one habit can truly transform your health and well-being. Boosts cardiovascular health. Regular walking improves blood circulation, lowers blood pressure, and reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke. Enhances mood. Walking stimulates the release of endorphins and serotonin, which help combat stress, anxiety, and mild depression. Aids weight management. A brisk 30-minute walk can burn 150-200 calories, making it a simple way to support fat loss and metabolism. Strengthens muscles and bones. It builds endurance, tones your legs and core, and helps prevent bone density loss as you age. Improves digestion. Walking after meals promotes better digestion and can reduce bloating, especially when done consistently. Boosts creativity and brain function. Studies show walking improves cognitive performance, memory, and creative thinking. Supports longevity. Research links daily walking to a longer life, reduced inflammation, and lower risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and cancer. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.